Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to hook in the programming card so you guys can get started programming this on a computer with your USB kit. So give me a few minutes and I'll get started. The first thing you guys probably need, you're probably going to need a screwdriver in your kit, a pair of needle nose pliers, of course your safety glasses. Make sure you have those when you're working on this stuff. And I'll show you how to swap this out. It's very simple. It may take you 10 minutes. And you guys could be ready to start plugging this into a computer. Okay, so if you open up your USB kit, what you will see is you'll see a different cover. Okay, you'll see a different cover for it. And you'll see a little controller. Okay, a little chip. And what we're going to do is these two are going to replace our manual control that we have right now with our arm. Okay, so when using this, you won't have manual control of it. You'll have to do it through a computer. But I'll show you how to swap it out. It's pretty simple. You will also have a USB cable. Okay. You have a USB drive for the computer. And then this guy will plug into the computer chip. It will plug into the computer chip right here once everything's installed. Now if you guys remember from before, all these cables that actually go to all the different motors will still plug into here the same way. But your controller basically allows your computer to take control of your robot. You also have a CD that has the software on it, comes with the USB kit. All you have to do is install this on your computer. It doesn't take a lot of memory or anything else. You just throw this in there, it pops up. Pretty easy to use, and I'll show you how to use that. Okay, you'll also have instructions. Okay, it'll walk you through it. The video is going to help a little bit, but this is going to show you the step-by-step way to actually hook it up. Okay, if something goes wrong, just follow the instructions. I know you guys are all really good with that. So you've got your instruction kit, if nothing else. All right, so we're going to start by disconnecting. I would probably write down the order that you have these in, because you know it works right now. In my case, I'm going to take a picture with my phone. Okay, that way when I put it back together, I know which order it is, I don't have to guess. Alright, so we're going to disconnect manual control. Just carefully pull that out. It's going off to the side. And disconnect all these wires. Try not to pull from the wires themselves. Try to pull on the plastic piece. And just set them off to the side. Okay, so we got the top cover off. Now if you look at your kit, you're going to find similar types of wires. So again, I had to use the instructions. But it will tell you which colors to hook to where. So if you're looking at your computer card, even on the card itself, it's telling us it wants the black and red on the chip to connect to here. That's the power from the switch. And then over here, it's showing you orange and black. So when you look at your controller, you'll see a set of wires with orange and black. And then if you look at the instructions, it's got the one connector with only an orange wire that connects into here. Okay. So I'm going to follow my instructions as best I can to disconnect these. So I'm going to carefully disconnect these wires. So there's my black and my red. I know what's going into here. Okay, my orange and my black. Right there. And my orange one. So that guy's off. So when I come back here, I'm going to orient my 3 screws back to the way they were. I'm going to hook it up exactly as the instructions say. Black and orange. Orange needs to go farthest away from the orange and black. So I should have orange, black, blank, and an orange. Okay, I'm going to take my black and orange, it's down here. I'm going to hook it right in, or black and red where it's down here, right into black and red where it's right there. Okay, then I'm going to take these guys and I'm going to kind of stuff them back down in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my 3 screws in and put my cover back on. The one with now it has a switch. Okay, and then I'll be ready to hook it to and reassemble my wires, and then I'm ready to hook it to a computer. Okay, now that we got it all reassembled, instead of our manual control, we'll be able to plug this USB cable into the bottom here. It only goes in one way, so don't force it. And then I'm ready to hook this into a computer and start programming.